Here are the 5 tips every Lean Six Sigma professional should follow. The first one, change of behavior is as important as the tools. People have the tendency to work around a problem rather than fixing it. And this is where Lean and Six Sigma inculcate willingness to constantly address problems that arise in business processes. When people are committed to change their behaviors, even the tools will be incorporated seamlessly. Training your workforce in Lean and Six Sigma is one thing, but without change in behavior, the whole process will be just academic without any practical implications. And the second tip is incorporating Lean and Six Sigma as a part of organization's goal and core strategy is one of the key ingredients for its successful implementation. And without that, the whole initiative will have a short-term life where people discard the methodology even before it is properly established in the organization. The third tip is about importance of senior management support. Organizations around the world will be tempted to apply Lean and Six Sigma in a bottom-up approach, but industry experts believe it is worth an effort to engage senior and middle managers first in these process improvement methodologies. Their engagement towards improving critical business processes will strengthen other associated behaviors, which will help in increased adoption by others as well. The fourth tip is about measurements. Organizations first need to understand that things that cannot be measured cannot be improved. By making proper measurement system in place, practitioners can decide on baseline performance and use the data to make informed decisions. By encouraging the participants to define both tangible and intangible measures, one can monitor the impact of their improvements and keep a database which will help in communicating the success to the organization. The fifth tip is about the customers. A satisfied customer is the best business strategy of all. No matter what business you are in, you should always put your customers first. Everything should revolve around your customers and their needs. Before you start making any drastic or even minor changes, establish the level of quality or requirements that you have promised your customers. Every decision you make should bring your company closer to delivering maximum value. So these were the 5 Lean Six Sigma tips for the professionals, and for more information, please subscribe to my channel.